Namaste, welcome to Sis Rekha's kitchen. Today I am making Poha Upma. Poha is nothing but pressed rice. To make Poha Upma, here I have some onion, ginger, green chilli, bell peppers. I took yellow and green bell peppers, some carrots and some tomato. You can actually take whatever vegetables you use for regular upma, the same vegetables you can use here. Here, let us look at the poha. There are two kinds of poha available in the market. One is thick poha and the other one is thin poha. To make upma, we use thick poha. To make poha upma, I took 1 cup of thick poha and soaked in water for 5 minutes. Now I am going to wash the poha a couple of times and rinse the water. I took 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. When the oil is hot, I added 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Adding the chopped ginger and green chilli. Add 1 or 2 red chillies chopped. You can add more if you want. Add a few cashew nuts. Keep stirring them. When the spices and the dals are fried, add the onion and fry for a minute. Then add all other vegetables and fry for 1 more minute. Add the tomato and continue frying. You can also add some green peas. Add some curry leaves and salt. Stir them well and cook it covered for 3 to 4 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Check the vegetables once. If they are nice and tender, go ahead and add the soaked and drained poha. Add some finely chopped cilantro. Today I used all my cilantro. This is all I left with. And add some turmeric powder and give it a stir. When the poha is mixed well with all the vegetables, add 1 teaspoon of ghee and mix it again. You can also add the salt if you needed. When everything is mixed well, switch off the flame and then we will add the fresh lemon juice. Squeeze the fresh lemon juice and mix it well. This poha upma is good for breakfast or a light dinner. This is also a good recipe for lunch box. I hope you all like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Lot of people are watching the videos but they are not subscribed. Please do subscribe so we can stay connected. Don't forget to like my Facebook page. Also visit my Telugu channel and try those recipes. We will meet in my next video.